A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, subject Maths, lecture number 61. So the previous video we have learned the number names of 25, right? पिछले वीडियो में हमने क्या लर्न किया है? नंबर नेम्स 25. So today we will repeat again the number names of 25. आज हम वापस repeat करेंगे number names of 25. So now you take out your pencil and eraser. Now hold your pencil like this, okay? पेंसिल और इरेजर आपके पास होना है, फिर उसके बाद आपको पेंसिल ऐसे पकड़ना है, okay? To remind you, now tell me what number is this? 2, 5, 25, okay? ये कौन सा नंबर है? 2, 5, 25. Now what is the spelling of 25? Repeat with me, okay? आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है. T W E N T Y 20. Okay, now what's the spelling of 5? F I V E 5 25. Again repeat 2 5 25. Okay, T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5. Again repeat 2 5 25. T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. Again repeat with me 2 5 25. What's the spelling of 25? T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. 2 5 25. T W E N T Y 20. F I V E 5 25. Again repeat 2 5 is 25. 2 5 25. Spelling of 25 T W E N T Y. 20. What's the spelling of 5? F I V E. 5. 25. Again, 2 5 25. T W E N T Y. 20. F I V E. 5. Again, you repeat with me. 2 5 25. Spelling of 25 is T W E N T Y. 20. F I V E. 5. 25. One more time, okay? 2 5 25. T W E N T Y. 20. F I V E. 5. See, so today we have learned again the number names of 25, right? So now what you have to do in your homework? In your homework you have to practice number names of 25. Okay, you have to practice in one page. आपको one page में practice करना है number names 25. Okay, after that you have to click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. उसके बाद आपको picture click करके school की जो WhatsApp number है आपको उसमें send करना है. Okay.